I get to be around him and see how Tom is, and Tom's won that title. That's where we aspire to be. That's like the Olympics, that's the World Cup, that's the Super Bowl, that's like the pinnacle of strength.
Or time to work out, I guess.
Work out.
Yeah, next step. Is that the next step?
Yeah.
Gym?
Gym time.
We got our toys to play with, guys. Yes.
But first, the next portion of this video is sponsored by NordicTrack.
While I was enjoying myself up there in Scotland and trying to keep up with those 10,000 calories a day, our team back at the Yes House was also able to experience the Scottish Highlands vicariously while getting a workout thanks to the brand new incline trainer that NordicTrack just sent us. You see, I find that the two most important habits that directly contribute to my happiness are exercise and meditation. Yet I often find myself letting small hurdles talk me out of an exercise routine. But newly equipped with the NordicTrack X32i incline trainer along with an iFit membership, bringing an entire diverse group of fitness trainers, environments, and guided workouts, and making it more convenient than ever is going to change the game for me.